What is up, guys? So Daraja made changes to their API. What does that mean for us? Because Daraja decided that due to the new data policies, Daraja is not going to be sharing all that information it used to share before. So let's talk about it. What I know are they not sharing? So for first, you're not going to be able to see the user's number from the data you get from the API. There's also going to be something changed about that transaction code, among other things. So let's go through this API and see what exactly this is.
So guys, if you have visited developer.safaricom.co.ke recently, then you must have come in contact with this particular pop-up. So not to scare you guys, but this is officially being rolled out. The old API will be unavailable from 12 p.m. on the 29th of June this year. So you should expect all these changes to take place gradually. So first, something that is going to change in this is the parameters that were shared in the first version versus what is being shared now. So the major changes are going to be in the customer's name, the names you get, and as well as transaction ID and phone number. So the first thing you'll notice is the transaction ID is a third-party transaction ID, and the transaction ID generated for the merchant does not change, so we're still all right. And the only thing that's going to change for real is we're going to have a retracted phone number that is maybe 0721 XXX, something of the sort, and you're not going to see the user's full name. So if my name was John Doe Smith, you'll only get Joe from the shared data from the API. So what does this mean for us? Well, basically this means that we'll have to get into the new API, go through the documentation, and be able to be ready for these changes. Or else, because if you don't make these changes, then if you had any system that maybe used Safaricom's previous version of this API and maybe had a validation that maybe required a phone number, that system is automatically about to become obsolete. So if you want to check out what's going to happen, be sure to turn on that notification so that you'll be able to see all these new tutorials I'll be making using this updated version and whatnot. So be sure to like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.